Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing or an unbagging of this month's Lux SB luxury scent box. As always, they send me 3 fragrances to share with you guys. It is a $15 a month subscription where you can get a full month's worth of a fragrance to try, which I think is awesome. So if you guys would like to hear a little bit more about it and see what preview fragrances they sent me this month, then just keep watching. So, Lux SB, formerly Luxury Scent Box, is a luxury scent subscription where they send you a tube full of 30 days worth of fragrance to try. There are men's and women's fragrances, unisex. You can pick what you want to try, or you can fill out a quiz and the experts will find something that they think you will enjoy. You can also schedule them ahead of time so that if you are going somewhere in December and you want something like cinnamony and like cozy, you can schedule one of those types of scents for December. If you are going on a tropical vacation in February, you can pick something for February that's completely different. You don't have to stick with one type of scent. So let's see what they have in here. They come in boxes like this. And inside they give you a canister, black on the bottom, and then some sort of colored metallic or just plain metallic on top. You twist to spray, and you also twist to remove the canister to see what the scent is. This one is Gallivant Brooklyn, which is one of their featured scents this month. It looks like they have different cities. So there's Istanbul, London, Los Angeles, Tel Aviv, Tokyo, and I have Brooklyn. It said that it won a Pure Beauty Global Award in 2020. Interesting. So their winner is the Los Angeles one, but I have Brooklyn. So let's see what this one smells like. Definitely some musk to it. Maybe a hint of lavender. I think that one could definitely be unisex. It could go more musky or like a light floral with a hint of musk to it. So this is not a scent I would normally go for. I normally go for like coffee, vanilla toffee, or citrus, or lemon, something like that. So one of those two. Right off the bat, I like it, but I don't love it. The second one is this green top and black bottom. This one is Maison Sabari Paris Amber Gaze. Now this one is a milky one. I had previously received another milky one that I really liked. Last month, they had sent me Maison Sabari Paris Amber Gaze. So it looks like I have doubles of Amber Gaze. So I'm not going to use this one from this month since I already have that fragrance, and I did like it last month. But I'm going to put the notes here since I already tried this one last month and I did like it. And the third one is a light blue canister, and inside is L'Orchestra Electro Lemonade. So maybe like a citrusy one. Okay, I'm on the fence about that one. At first sniff, I like it. But upon second sniff, it reminds me of cleaning supplies like Pledge dusting, like the Pledge dusting spray, or like what's that floor cleaner we use? There's a yellow floor cleaner that we use that has a lemon scent. This reminds me a lot of that. Yeah, this reminds me too much of a cleaning product. So I'm gonna say this one is probably a pass for me. But there have been some other ones that I've really liked. There's one from Prada that I really enjoy. Prada Candy, Prada Sport. Which other ones have I really been enjoying? It's at Libre d'Orange, Remarkable People. That one is really good. There's like a Bananas Foster one that's really good. There's a Shea Watermelon one that I really enjoy. So there's a lot of different fragrances to choose from on there. Just so happens that sometimes the previews they send me are not hits for me, but they might be for you. They're just not my personal scent preference. But overall, I'm a big fan of Lux SB. I think that it's a great way to try fragrances without committing to a full size. I will rarely run through a full size product of a fragrance. I think I've done it twice in my lifetime, and that was this one and this one. think they're the only two fragrances I've run through completely. So this is an awesome way to try fragrances and to be able to mix it up without breaking the bank. So I highly recommend checking it out. There's a discount code down below for new memberships if you guys are interested. As always, the link is in the description box. Leave a comment down below with your favorite fragrance. I'd love to know what you guys are loving. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.